The most powerful source of wisdom is within you. Hello, my name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. No one else but you can live your fears, dreams, love, relationships, desires, intellect, challenges, life and lifestyle. No one else but you can enjoy or suffer the outcome of your decisions or actions. No one else but you is better equipped to know you. No one else can act but you. Let's begin a journey of connecting with your inner guru, the source of wisdom within. Make yourself comfortable, either sitting or lying down, ensuring your spine is straight. Close your eyes, relax, and take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Breathe in and out deeply for 2 more breaths. Return your breathing to its natural rhythm and focus on the middle of your forehead, your third eye. Imagine or get a sense a point of golden light shining in your third eye. Take that golden light to your face, jaw, ears, and now to your eyes, and feel relaxation. The light now moves down to your neck, shoulders, and arms, relaxing. Moving down to your heart, feel the warm golden light caressing your heart. Stay with this loving feeling. The light now moves down to your back, hips, and pelvis, relaxing deeper and deeper. Moving down to your thighs, relaxing. Calves, down through the feet and all the way to your toes. You're now feeling deep relaxation throughout your entire body, with this beautiful golden light infiltrating your whole body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. It's now time to connect with your guru, your inner guru. Bring your awareness into your heart. connect to this space from the relaxed and peaceful state you are experiencing right here, right now. Imagine or sense a small doorway into your heart. See the doorway open and feel a welcome calling you to enter. Go through the doorway and find yourself in a special place that you know is a temple. In the middle of the room is an altar with a figure sitting in front of it in prayer. You wait patiently as you watch this figure sitting in front of the altar. The person turns toward you and you look fully at this person. This person is holding out arms to you, and you recognize this being as your inner guru. You go forward and stand in front of this wise person. Speaking to you, the wise one shares knowledge of your own inner wisdom and knowing. Open your heart and listen, feel, and know. Do you have a question for your inner guru? If so, ask your question now and listen for words or watch for symbols. If there is nothing you need to ask here now, just continue to experience the sense of peace and presence. Finally, the wise one bids you goodbye with a word and a bow. As you breathe in, you remember the word. Breathe in the word and remember it as a key to your own inner wisdom. Remember, the most powerful source of wisdom is within you. Sit in the space of your inner guru and experience the sense of great peace and presence. Your inner wisdom, your inner guru, is within you always. Time now to bring yourself back into the room as you return your energy to your body from the toes up to the top of the head. You may begin to move fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes.